That's the bunter farm. That's the low farm. Okay, that's par 4, long one. Blister is developing on my finger, on my thumb. That'll do. Dead straight. I mean, look at that for a shot. Very nice indeed. Right, don't know how far, 150, 160. Oh, baby. That was awfully unlucky. It was all over it and pitched in front of the green that's right at that bank. I guess that's the difference when you're playing with a range ball. You pitch here and you end up at the back of the green. Well, there you go. Here's what it is.
Run, Neo, run. What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Oh, jeez. That was good. 12 holes, 309 meters. Oh, camera down there somewhere. So I guess we'll just keep hitting this this little shitty fade thing that we got going on. And yeah. Just thread it down between those trees. That'll do. Low shitty stinger. It's 125. I think we hit the pitching wedge. Yeah. There we go. It's technically the fairway. It's covered in shit. Okay. It's looking alright. Pin high, leaked a little right. A little bit of a leaky one. I say it leaked a little bit right. It's actually pretty good. Get my pitch well. He's shoved increasing those. That was 2-part solid, never in doubt. Next hole 13, 120 meters. Wind against. Well, sandy trainers, here we come. Bunkers. First sand save in a decade. Go, go, go. See, I got my handbag, didn't I? Sweet, we'll take a 4 after the tee shot with the 4 over on the front, bogey birdie, par bogey puts me back to 5 over. Well, this is nice and tight with the pond down there and the bunker on the right. So I guess I smash at the pond, hit it out at the bottom, and it'll just drift off to the right a bit. Good camera work as well, well done. I mean, it's straight. We'll take it. So can you see it? It's just dead straight down there. Didn't go very high. Guess we just chuck down on it and hit it. Good. Yep, I like it. If we hit the drive properly, we'd have been in the water. Had a real horrible yardage. You know what, I reckon Rory will be quite happy with that. Let's see if we can get the bird eye. Boom. Coming off a real crappy heel bottom of the club drive, that was not too bad.